नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। बहुत जल्दी स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों को और बाकी लोगों को भी जो भी अध्ययन कर रहे हैं उनको बहुत जल्दी एक ऐसे मिलने वाला है। स्कूल्स में बहुत ज़्यादातर जो भी टॉपिक हाईलाइटेड होता है उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। तो अभी देखो, दिवाली भी आने वाली है और कोरोना का जो प्रकोप है वो अभी तक कम नहीं हुआ है। तो किस तरीके से आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि आप दिवाली कैसे मना सकते हैं विथ कोविड-19, है ना। ये सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए, क्योंकि आपको क्या, हेल्दी भी रहना है, सेफ रहना है और आपको एंजॉय भी करना है फेस्टिवल को। तो किस तरीके से किया जा सकता है उस पर मैंने एक ऐसे लिखा है, ताकि अगर स्कूल में इस तरीके का ऐसे आपको मिलता है तो थोड़ी आपको हेल्प हो जाएगी। आइए दोस्तों जानते हैं। The coronavirus pandemic has been around for months now and is unfortunately likely to stay for longer. The festivals are now around the corner with Dhanteras, Roop Chaudas, Diwali, Govardhan Puja and Bhai Dooj. As the month of October kicks in, people in India gear up for the festive season. Most people describe this time as their favorite time of the year, and why not? It is the time when a lot of people get to go home and visit their families, eat festive food and sweets, enjoy their time with their loved ones, and celebrate the small things. Even as we do that every year, health remains paramount and people are always ensuring that their families and friends are healthy and safe during these times. As we welcome the festive season with the commencement of the 5 days festival Diwali during the COVID-19 pandemic, it is even more important to lay special emphasis on health and safety. 5 tips to stay safe during celebrations in the time of COVID-19. If you are looking for ways to stay safe and celebrate all festivals that lie ahead of you, 5 tips to ensure that you can stay safe during COVID-19. As you celebrate the festival with your family and friends, here are 5 tips you must follow. The first one is follow all precautions. Needless to say, but people are now sleeping when it comes to taking precautions for COVID-19 prevention. Wearing masks, washing hands regularly, using hand rubs are some of the precautions you must take to ensure that you and your loved ones stay safe. Do not ignore any symptoms. This is the second one. Studies have now suggested that COVID-19 symptoms may actually not be the most reliable marker of the infection. However, even as many people who have contracted the virus remain asymptomatic, others who have even the mildest symptoms should not ignore them or pass them as a seasonal flu or common cold. Isolating, staying home, and taking precautions is very necessary. This is not just because you may put other people at risk, but also because we weakened immunity due to some other infection. Your body may be more vulnerable to COVID-19. Avoid assumptions. Various people around the world have got COVID-19 and recovered from it, there is a common assumption among these people that they will not fall sick and they are therefore careless towards the precautions of COVID-19. While reinfection cases are rare, they are not impossible. Assuming anything about the disease or the behavior of the virus can prove very dangerous. Greetings. Namaste and not handshakes become the common slogan during the beginning of the pandemic, where people preferred to join their hands and greet others rather than shaking your hands. Using such traditional ways of greetings, especially during the festive season, may be a good idea given how rapidly the virus is spreading. Refrain from eating outside. While there is no evidence that COVID-19 can be transferred through cooked food, it is recommended to not eat from outside during the festive season, not just because of the risk of COVID-19, but because such food can cause other stomach infections which can affect your immunity and overall health. Also, no food like a home cooked traditional meal at a festival, right? Hope you all will be remain safe and healthy and enjoy this festival. थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो दोस्तों वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये ऐसे लिखा गया है स्पेशली स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। अगर आपको और भी इससे रिलेटेड ऐसे चाहिए जो कि आपको स्कूल में मिले हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं, सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।